All right, let's have a look at the voice agents. To create a new voice agents, just click new voice agent and just give a name. If you want, you can just upload a logo. I just leave it empty for now. And for the voice agent, it's just like a normal chat agent. You can select the role and behavior. So I just keep it customer support. If you don't want the chat history and call history to be recorded, you can turn this on. It won't be recorded in our system. You can choose your language here. I guess gonna leave it in English. So this is the speaking speed. So you leave it at 1. That's just the normal speed. And in some other countries, they do speak a bit faster. You can do a 1.1, but I wouldn't recommend any faster than that. So if you choose English and let's say you've chosen American or Australian accent, you can just click the preview here to test the voice. And once you're happy with the voice and accent, you can basically tune your model here. This is the instructions, what you want the voice agent to do. So for example, when you make outbound calls, how should the conversation start? What should we do? What's the general purpose of the whole call agent? You can just instruct it here. Okay, so let's go create a bot. It's done. And everything else is just like a normal chat agent. You have to allocate some sort of knowledge here. You can upload the PDF documents, website, any instructions you want to give, any knowledge base you want to attach to it, you can do it here. And basically rest is the same as the chat agents. Okay, so let's go into the section where we basically edit and change all these call models. Basically, you can do a test call here by just typing the number and initiate the call. You will receive a test call. You can schedule the calls. If it's in a different time zone, for example, you can make a schedule. You can also upload a bulk schedule with the template is being provided. So if you just click here, CSV upload, you can download this template and you can use this template given by us. It's very simple template. You can use that and you can upload back in there, and then that will schedule the calls for you. So template section is basically important. This is especially the starting of the call, what you want the agent to say. You can just create here manually, or you can also upload the template. Just give a name, test one template. I choose English. So the template message, this is what the agent is going to say when the call is initiated first. Say, hi, am I speaking to, that's the variable, but basically, am I speaking to this and that? And then the reason I'm calling. So blah blah. So this is just the starting, and the rest the AI will set up the call and talk just like a human will do the rest themselves. So you don't need to do anything about that. Okay. So once you create the template, you can allocate to this call. So I'll just go back and want to show you. So now I want to show you about the phone numbers. So you need to basically purchase a phone number and allocate the number for yourself. And this is how you do it here. And this section, you can select which country you want the phone number to be purchased. So let's say Australia, you can select the states. Okay, let's say Victoria, and you can even select the cities within the Victoria. As you can see, Ballarat, for example. And you can run this, and then it's going to show you some numbers there. It didn't at this case. Let's select, I don't know, select South Australia. just keep it all cities. Okay, so as you can see, it's been provided with some phone numbers which you can just select yourself. Okay, if you select it, then you will get that phone number allocated, and that's the number that you're basically going to call from. Okay, and once this allocated, you need to attach this to that bot as well. Okay, and once that done, and there is a video for it as well, once that number is allocated to this agent, and that is then basically activated and turned on. So that is how voice agent basically works.